To all my monolids and any of you that have amphocanthal folds, this video is for you. I want to do the foxy eye trend, but I don't have that inner corner like everyone else does. So how do you create that when you have an extra skin fold? I'm going to show you guys a couple of my techniques that work on monolids. If you've been dealing with this and you've been wanting to achieve it ever since you've seen videos on YouTube and TikTok, this tutorial is for you. That being said, I'm not really sure how I'm going to title this because if I say Asian eyes, many people are going to be like, May, Asian eyes are so diverse, which is very true. There are East Asian eyes, Southeast Asian eyes. There's just so much. So I don't know if I'm going to put that in the title. Maybe do monolids, but even monolids, there are different variations. So this video is for anyone who has that amphocanthal fold. Now it's the extra skin fold that's in the inner corner, which is typically found on Asians, specifically East Asians, anyone who has monolids, typically. If you want to see this tutorial, keep watching. First, let's look at my eyes. If you look closely, I have the amphocanthal fold right here. So that means I don't have this part. See how you see the inner corner? Like, I don't have that. That's not visible on me because of this extra skin fold. The most important tool that you're going to be using is an angled brush. You really want to make sure that this brush is very thin. I'll link this one down below. It's by e.l.f. That is so important because there are some angled brushes that are a little bit thicker and you want a very thin inner corner wing. I'm going to start with tightlining my eyes with a dark brown. This one's my favorite by L'Oreal. I'm going to go for more of a smudgy wing. So I'm going to take that brown and go right here into the lash line, focusing on the outer corner. Then going in with that angled brush, I'm going to just do my regular cat eye. Now I like to do this first so I get a good sense of direction when I want to do my inner corner, and I'll explain that in a little bit. This is a very soft diffuse wing. So now let's get into the inner corner. So going back in with that angled brush, now it should already have some product on it, and if it doesn't have enough, just apply some with your pencil, just pack it on, and we're going to create the wing on our fold. Now the angle is really important. So since this wing, my outer wing, is going out and up slightly, I want it to look like my eyeliner is in like one stroke. See what I mean? How it's like whoosh. Some people will do their inner wing very straight, and it really depends on your eye shape. Since my natural eyes go at a slant, that's how I'm going to create my inner corner wing. And it's a lot easier using an eyeliner pencil or even eyeshadow. Right now, you guys might not be able to really see it too much. You're just gonna go like this. And see how it's so important that you have a really precise angled brush because you want that tip to be quite fine. You want it to connect to the eyeliner at the top. So again, as if it's like in one motion where you created that wing. So what I like to do once I get the placement, I'll go a little bit higher and add a little bit of liner right there just to connect it. See the difference with liner and no liner? Now, if you want this to be even more intense, you can always just go in with a pen eyeliner. This one is by NYX. It's the brown one. This is a beautiful shade of brown. So you could just go over it, which is a lot easier to do that than starting out with this. And you're kind of figuring out where the placement is. And I'll just add a little bit at the base. And my eyeliner right here towards the inner corner, it's very thin. It's almost as if I just tightline, and it goes slightly wider towards the end. And I just think that looks better on monolids. To finish my right eye and show you guys the before and after and just the difference by doing an inner corner wing. Please tell me you see a difference. This side elongates my eyes and elongates it more horizontally, and it actually makes my eyes seem a little bit closer together because of that inner corner wing. Then definitely gives a more sexier look. So I'm going to do this side and not do the inner corner wing just to show you guys that difference as well. Now look at that difference. My left side, it's more open, and my right side, again, it's just more cat eye. Even though my left side has a wing, that inner corner wing really makes a difference on your eyes, and it gives a totally different look. Now let's match both eyes because there's no way I'm going to walk out like this. So going back in with that angled brush with the pencil on it, going slightly down, and again, it's as if I just created one stroke like that. If only I could do my eyeliner like that in one stroke. But it's like going like this, like choop. And for this look, I'm going to darken it up. If you want this to be more everyday, just stick with that pencil. Using the pen and going over the pencil. And it's so important to keep going and kind of go just beyond to connect it at the top, like right here. And what I forgot to show you on this eye is I add a little bit of liner right in here, just the slightest bit to add depth as if I do have that inner corner like other people do. I hope this video was helpful, especially if you have monolids or if you have that amphocanthal fold. This is the kind of content I needed when I was younger, when it was just so hard to apply eye makeup on my monolids. If it was, please like this video, subscribe to this channel for more fashion and beauty content. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!